Hello guys, welcome to a video. Haven't recorded in a long time. So we're gonna teach you, someone in the Discord wanted to know how to do these. So this is beginner. So I could do better, but like, I just want to make this. So I'm on mobile right now. So I'm gonna start this from the beginning. I was working on this. Wait, no, what the? I'm going to start this on the beginning because... What the? Oh, it's not. Okay. Well, we're just going to do another one. Actually, can we just discard all changes? Oof. Okay, we can't. So, we're just going to find a different... NFL. Search that. This is on mobile. PixArt. Logo's this. That's how I do my thumbnails also. So let's find a guy. It might take a second to load. This is probably going to take a long time to load because of I'm recording. Should we do OBJ? We could do let's do Cam Newton. Okay. We'll do Cam Newton. So with Cam Newton first, which is the easiest, is doing text. Wait a minute. Check that. Okay, next. Oh, what the? Okay, good. Nope. Okay, that's good. Sorry, technical difficulties. So we have to do Cam New. Okay. So with Cam Newton, right there. This is beginner. Easy. I'll probably do some more advanced later, but for right now, we gotta do beginner. So with color, we'll go. What's kind of the theme? Okay, that's good. Easy. Theme. Okay, good. Now we'll add okay, nice. Beautiful. Add photo. I just do blue background and then do that. Let it load. Shrink it. Let's just go. Move down for it goes under the Cam Newton thing. Flip. Okay, good. Okay, good. Okay, good. What? I can't move. Ah! Thank goodness. Okay. Nope. Bam. Okay, so now we have the Cam Newton thing. I'm gonna add another photo. This is gonna be Easter egg. Try to find the Easter egg. I did that one last time. Let's just crop everything that's around it. Oh, it doesn't usually load this fast, but this is just beginner so far. Load, please. Load, please. And you can just, and the reason I'm not changing the background, I could change the background, but again, it's just beginner, so what? Okay, follow. Free crop, laser. Okay, let's do this. Bam. Ah, that was a little edgy. Pow. Do this very carefully. Oh, flip. Oh, no. Oh, what? Oh, jeez. That went very bad there. Okay, let's just follow by this. Okay, that's good enough. That's good enough. So this is going to be Easter. And And I might change the background if I want to. But that's if I want to. Okay, a little bit more up. Okay, good. So, oh! Okay, apply. That's that. Now we have to do the overall. Actually, I'm gonna crop a little bit. Free crop. So let's go, not brush. So we're just gonna cut that part out. How? Oh, yeah, we have to go back to the beginning. Huh? How? I think I did. Sorry, that was very wrong. Cancel. Okay, so we're just gonna keep it like this for now. We'll do that then. So, now we'll do an out of position card. We'll do a wide receiver. Wide receiver. Right. No, it goes 98. We'll do RB, actually. We'll do running back. Actually, it's halfback, so halfback. So with that, we'll put that on there. Halfback. It's easy. Good. And I might do a speed art. If you guys, let's get to 5 likes, I'll do a speed art. Maybe even 3. It matters, I don't know. It matters how much I like it. So we don't apply. We have to add this thing. So again, we're going to go with the blue background. That is a 98. Place it under. Nice. Okay. Now we're going to shape crop that with this. Bam. Pow. Okay, that's good. Pow. Okay. Actually, we'll do this. We'll make it unique. I don't want to move that. I want to move this. Okay, so let's just shorten this a little bit. Just a little bit. We'll just shorten. We'll shorten this also a little bit. Not too much, but just a little bit. Okay, that's good. Right. Let's see the farthest I can go. Right there. Okay. Oh wait. Let's move this a little bit. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. We'll stop arranging. Probably could have done a little bit better, but that's okay. Now we'll apply that. So now we have to do the power. So we'll do 200 and X. Sorry. Excuse me. X. Sorry, I gotta delete that. Whew, okay. With that being done, we'll do that. Okay, good. Okay. I'm gonna add a photo. I have this. I couldn't find that, so I just took a screenshot of it and then pow. Okay, so we're gonna free crop that. Oh. You always have to do this. Just very carefully. I actually look at the side here. That's what I prefer, but I don't know what you guys prefer. That's good. Give it a little shave. Okay, that's good. Again, I can do speed art. I can do like how to make it a little bit better. I can change the background if I want, but this is just gonna be for that for now. And then I also like these. It's gonna take an hour to load. Okay, bam. Okay, how? I like these. I don't know, I just like them. Pow. Apply. Okay, well actually we're gonna add one more. We're gonna add one more. We'll do the red crossing. Yeah, we'll do the red crossing. Bam. Does that look good? Cam? Okay. Cam approves. And that's pretty much all it's for beginner. Like, if you just do this for like a month or more, you'll have it like what you see normally. But I just started doing this like yesterday, and I love it. Okay, where is the stinking crop? Okay, yeah, cut out. Right, next. So, where is that? Okay, outline. Okay, nice. Let's, no, just cancel. Okay, thank God I didn't cancel all my changes. So we're just gonna keep it like that for now. So we're just gonna take a screenshot. Let's crop it out. Pow. I just crop it out like this. That's how I do it. Make it look like a cardish. And save to photos. So there we go. We finished. Like, yeah. Really it. You can put an Easter border. If I find one, I'll do it, but I really can't find one. But no. Okay. So, with that being said, always can put it in. I'll put that actually in custom cards. Actually, we'll put that after the video. That's okay. So, I guess I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope it helps if you didn't know how to do it. So, yeah. See you guys in the next one. Also, comment down below if you want me to do a harder, medium, to show I can do it, a speed art, something like that. If you guys want me to see that, comment that below. And I'll see you guys in the next one.